U.S. President Donald Trump renews the threat to scrap the North American Free Trade Agreement, calling it the worst trade deal ever made. Trump slammed trading partners Canada and Mexico days before the three nations were scheduled to hold a second round of negotiations on rewriting the 23-year-old trade deal. The second round of NAFTA negotiations will start on Friday in Mexico City. In a tweet, President Trump said, and I'm quoting here, "We are in the NAFTA worst trade deal ever made," he says. Renegotiation process with Mexico and Canada, both being very difficult, may have to terminate ? The first round of talks between the three countries were held last Sunday, with all sides committing to follow the process in revamping the agreement. The trade deal was originally signed by former President Bill Clinton.